Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Kyle's Kitchen. Alright. I just recently got a microphone in the mail. I'm trying to get it to work. It doesn't work right now. Once I get it figured out, you'll hear my voice a lot clearer. Kind of looks like a wire. Hey, Frankie Five Fingers, what, you a rat bastard? You're wearing a rat wire? I knew you, freaking rat bastard, you. Kind of cool, it's like 16 feet long, but I'll figure it out. But anyways, tonight, we got a cool episode. You could probably save this recipe for a Friday or Saturday night. It's called, we're making Jell-O shots. We're gonna be making Jell-O shots, alright. 3 ingredients. I got strawberry gelatin, Jell-O. I got cold water. The hot water is on the stove top in a pan. Triple distilled vodka. You could use any vodka you want as long as it's smooth. Usually $3 bottle or above. Okay. And the ingredients is 3-ounce flavored gelatin, half cup cold water, or 1 cup boiling water, half cup cold water, half cup vodka. And I got these shot glasses that I'm gonna put these containers that I'm gonna put it in with Jell-O. Okay. All right. As far as the gelatin goes, all right, it only has about 80 milligrams of sodium. So, I mean, if you're by yourself and you want to get really drunk and crash off the Jell-O shots, you can maybe put a little whipped cream on top if you want. You can take them as is. And it has 19 grams of sugar. Per serving. There's 4 servings per container. So I'm going to use the whole entire 3 ounces. And hopefully you can fill up all these containers with Jell-O. Okay. Thank you guys. I got to wait for the water to boil. And then I'll show you how I mix everything up together. There's a certain way you got to do it, step by step. And then take it from there. Yeah. So we're in the beginning stages of the water boiling right now, and once it gets boiled, we're gonna pour the whole packet of gelatin in. Okay, the whole entire packet. All right, because I want to get as much servings as possible. You see here, so just keep with me. I'm gonna do it step by step. All right, we got the water boiling. You see it? Boiling. Alright, so open up this, take it out. Now I'm going to pour the whole entire thing in. Okay, that's the gelatin, okay? Strawberry gelatin I just threw in, okay? Now I'm going to take my whisk and I'm going to mix it around until it's completely dissolved. It has to be completely dissolved. And I'm drinking a 4 Loko while I'm doing it. So, you know, it's just fun, you know? Having a good night. It smells delicious. It smells like candy. Oh my god, it smells like candy! Yeah, that's just a joke. Oh, it's fun. Yeah, but no, it's gonna be kick-ass when I get that, excuse my French, when I get that microphone working. Alright, the wire. Hey, Tony, you got the wire on? Hey. That's gonna be good, you're gonna hear me more clearly. So, I'm gonna show you exactly what it looks like boiling. Exactly what it looks like boiling the gelatin. Okay? You can see it. Alright, boiling. Okay, and you just gotta keep mixing it, okay? You just gotta keep mixing it. It has to dissolve completely. Looks like it's dissolved. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the stove. You gotta turn the stove top off. Alright? Then next is you add the cold water. Half cup of cold water. So I'm gonna add a half cup of cold water in there. Okay? Then I'm gonna add the vodka. Okay? About half cup. vodka. Alright? Just for fun. Okay? Alright, so after I add the cold water and it's off and it's completely dissolved, you stir it around for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then I'm gonna let it freeze. And once you put it in the fridge, you put it in the fridge for 2 hours to 4 hours. You gotta keep checking on it, okay? 2 to 4 hours, okay? And then I'm gonna show you the final product once it's done. It's gonna take some time, okay, guys? So, all right, we'll see you then. So basically, for this episode, I told you to make it on a Friday or Saturday. Any day of the week is good as long as you don't work or you're driving a motor vehicle because you'll be intoxicated. This is Kyle's Kitchen and anything good. You better be ready. So basically with the Jell-O shots, I put in containers. After I took it off the stove, I'm gonna chill it I'm chilling it in the fridge for 2 hours. Then I'm gonna transfer it directly to the freezer. We'll show you. All right.